Good morning. My name is Lorena Rodriguez. I'm studying Administración de Empresas. In this occasion, this is the activity number 3, purchase process in a restaurant. The question is, how will I improve the process of buying food in my cousin's health food restaurant? The foods are most used in the preparation of meals are honey, vegetables, cereals, among others. Many of these foods have to be consumed in the shortest possible time. I believe that some of the most important aspects to improve the shopping process in the restaurant are: 1. Identify the suppliers. If a list of suppliers is made for each product, the owner of the restaurant is going to have more possibilities to select the suppliers with the best prices and payment method. Also, he will have the opportunity to check the fulfillment of the deliveries and the quality of the products. In this way, it will be possible to choose many suppliers from a single product. 2. As a consequence of the previous point, the owner of the restaurant is going to build many long-term relationships with suppliers, and he can negotiate with them prices and special conditions of payment for the benefit of both. 3. The owner of the restaurant will analyze the quality of the processes and products of its suppliers. Although the analysis requires much time, the quality of the products and the goodwill of the restaurant will be guaranteed. 4. Every day, the head chef will make the inventory and control of perishable and non-perishable food products. With this activity, the head chef will have much information available to define the amount of food required and the purchase that the restaurant owner will make to the suppliers. As not perishable food can be stored for much time, you can buy and store much flour, much honey, much cereal, many more bottles of oil, among others, and thus it will be possible to negotiate better purchase prices. 5. Finally, the proper management of the inventory of non-perishable products will help the restaurant to pay less money in storage, to control the inventory, and to buy less unnecessary products. With these adjustments, the restaurant is going to improve the purchasing process very soon. Thank you.